Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today, we're going to draw and color more letters, from J to Q. Are you ready? Let's start! First, let's draw the letter J. Now, let's draw the letter K. Next, let's draw the letter L. Now, let's draw the letter M. Let's draw the letter N. Now, let's draw the letter O. Next, let's draw the letter P. Finally, let's draw the letter Q. Wow! Great job, everyone! All the letters look so nice and clean. Now, let's smooth out the lines a little. Perfect! The drawing part is done. Now it's time to color our letters. Let's make them bright and beautiful, just like a rainbow. Let's color J red. Red is so bright and happy. It looks like a red apple or a shiny balloon. What a pretty J! Now let's color K orange. Orange looks warm and fun. It's like a yummy orange fruit or the sunset in the sky. That looks wonderful! Next, let's color L yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. It is so bright and cheerful. When I see yellow, it makes me smile. Now let's color M light green. Light green looks like little spring leaves. It's soft, fresh, and full of life. Your M looks so lovely. Let's color N green. Green is the color of trees and grass. It feels calm and peaceful. Your N looks so nice and clean. Now let's color O blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the sea. It looks cool and beautiful. I love this blue O. Next, let's color P purple. Purple looks like grapes and pretty flowers. It's a soft and special color. Finally, let's color Q pink. Pink is soft, warm, and full of love. It looks like cotton candy or a pretty flower. It's such a happy color. Your Q looks sweet and lovely. Wow! Look at all our colorful letters. They look so bright and beautiful. Now, let's read the letters together. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. That was wonderful! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!